Well, Kent here. I'm sitting in the car and show you around. Back there's my feet. They're pretty well. I'm warm underneath this this bedding. There's a heating blanket and it's nice and warm. So I'm getting ready to say nights out. The car's doing good. I think we got about 49%, and I'll be watching that tonight. It's still pretty cold in here, but the HVAC is still running and it should bring it up. So I'll check back in as soon as I got something else to tell you. But right now I think I'm just going to get under covers and try to warm up a bit. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.